Hey, so if you would like a little adventure in Akihabara away from all the shopping areas, come to this little section where you can find some of the most unusual things in a vending machine. Let's go take a look. So this looks like an ordinary, regular drink machine, right? Same prices, maybe a little bit more on the expensive side. Selection is the same. And here, right, you find a popcorn machine. And right, so far nothing unusual. But then you go to this vending machine and take a look at just the different things inside it. You've got toy trains. You've got some kind of, I don't know what that is. Oh, old train tickets. So old used train tickets that you could buy for 190 yen. You can buy a little decoration. It looks like a wind chime. Oden, which is like Japanese food in a cup or in a can. And these random toy bugs, toy beetles, rhinoceros beetles, kabutomushi, spaghetti sauce, amidst your usual beverages. Go to the next machine and you've got some more chips and drinks, but you also have bubble solution, more toys, a toy car, more bugs. And I don't know if I would go into this photo booth. It looks a little bit scary. On the end here you have a condom machine for high-class condoms. Green, purple, and blue. For some reason the blue one is the most expensive. Okay, so that's all on the outside. But let's go inside this little crack here. Alright. And look at this one. You've got a machine that sells random balls, marbles, muffins, a muffin, chocolate Danish, and the usual drinks. Everything is priced a little bit expensive because, I don't know, would you pay 990 yen, about $10 for a muffin? Okay, and if you go around here, you've got these gigantic bells for 750 yen, about $7.50. You can buy these random bells. Behind me, you can get a tube of Super Balls for 860 yen. If you want everyone to have a bell, this is everybody's bell, Mina no Suzu, for about 990 yen. A tube of gum. More bugs. And I guess if you have the munchies for carrots, cans of mini carrots. And cherries. Canned cherries. Okay, let's continue our little journey in this area. Okay, because there's a... Okay, they're in there. Let's come over here. This one has a tube of erasers. You can get some tuna, cans of tuna, and then they have these bizarre boxes. So each box has like a story on it, and the stories are just kind of random and creepy and bizarre, just strange. And inside the boxes are usually, or most likely, crackers or candy. But yeah, so they run about These are like 490 yen, about $5. These are a little bit more expensive, 570. That one, I have no idea. That one's about $10, $13. Yeah, it's kind of creepy. That's what the kid was saying, creepy. Now, I just got one, and a man that also got one translated mine for me. And my story was about Bitcoins and how if you wanted to go broke, just invest in Bitcoins or cryptocurrency. Look at that random game. Okay, it's a little squishy in here. There's the chocolate Danish again, and more Oden. In case you need jam for your toast. More bells, little bells, and a cleaner for an air pot. More boxes. Now all along here you'll see these warning signs. So if you would like to get to those kind of bizarre vending machines, come out of Akihabara station and go towards the electronic town. Now rather than going right where all the electronic stores are, head towards the LAOX building and going over this bridge. So you'll be going over the bridge and you'll see the railroad tracks right above. And on the corner, you'll see this Welcome to Akihabara sign. It's a Lawson's, which is a convenience store. And walk across the street. Let's walk across. Okay. So you'll see the Lawson's convenience store. Take a left and walk down along this way, and you will see on the corner, well, now there's a car, now the guy is filling the machines. You'll see a lot of people stopped, kind of fascinated by them. I used this popcorn machine as my landmark. So, right, look for this popcorn machine. And then if you were brave or daring, you can go into these small crevices where you'll see other vending machines, along with these ones out here that have all the weird stuff. This guy's loading them. And then, yeah, if you get a box, go ahead and share. Share what you get in it. I just got crackers. And it was all nice and normal. A little expensive, right? Because I paid 490 yen for a box of 100 yen crackers. But I think it's the gimmick of it, right?